Welcome to our new video series exploring the world of non-destructive testing. Today I'm here with Sales Manager at Theta Technologies, Nathalia Lopes. We are going to be discussing this brand new machine behind me, a non-destructive testing solution for additive manufactured parts that's going to save you both time and money. Nathalia, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
First of all, can you just explain a little bit about who you are and your role here at Theta?
Yes, so as you said, I'm the sales manager for Theta. I have a background in materials engineering, which is great to help our customers. And I'm here, I joined the team to help to drive the boundaries of non-destructive testing and show the customers our amazing solution for NDT.
Okay, so let's get on to the subject of this solution for NDT. First of all, why has this machine been developed?
So this machine has been developed to help companies in their journey through non-destructive testing, mainly for critical applications. Okay,
so on that, what is this machine actually for and what is it actually capable of?
Yeah, so this machine specifically is a go-no-go system that is able to do really rapid detection and flaws in components. We can help our customers with metal additive manufacturing parts or with conventional metals, composites, and even some kind of plastics as well.
Okay. Now, RD1 uses Theta's unique nonlinear resonance technology.
Exactly.
Can you explain a little bit about what this technology is and what it does?
Exactly. So, what we do is when a customer sends a component for us, we are trying to detect flaws in this component, and we put this component under resonance mode as a whole body test, so the whole part is excited into some variety of different sources, and we are looking for non-linearity in the response. Each part has its own signature, so if we apply a different source of signal source in this part and we have a different response, then we find non-linearity and we know this part is not good, so it has a flaw in it.
So you look for those non-linearity.
Exactly.
If there is a non-linear response from that component that you're putting under tests, that indicates that that part is flawed.
Exactly.
And in terms of the workflow, in terms of manufacturers, what do you anticipate they do with that information? Is it a case of, right, that part is flawed, so we're just going to get rid of it? Or is there a bit of leeway when it comes to using a part that is flawed?
The good point of the machine is we really see as an ideal solution for manufacturing. So you can have the machine actually in a lot of steps in your process. But the good thing is you can have, for example, let's suppose for additive manufacturing, after you build your part, you can test the part straight away after AM build, even with the base plate on, and then you can have the decision, because if the part is not good, you don't need to go through post-processing with this part, so you don't need to add more value to the part, so you will be saving money in this process.
So really the major selling point of this machine is that you are saving manufacturers money because they can test straight away.
Exactly, they can test it straight away, and not only, as I said, after you build the part, but you can also test between post-processing steps. So it can help you to save money, not adding value to the parts in the production, but also can help you to optimize your process. Because if you are testing in each step, you will know where you are having problems, so it can help you also for optimization.
And how does this compare with other solutions that are on the market?
RD1 is really rapid, as the name says. RD stands for rapid detection, so you can test parts in under a minute. With using some other NDT techniques, you can take a couple of hours or even more to test a part. So it's really rapid, and we can detect flaws that other techniques cannot detect as well. I think this is our main USP, to be honest.
So I've seen this machine in practice this week, and and actually the process was incredibly simple. It was a case
Exactly.
of putting that component in, setting up the components inside, and then pressing the test button, and it within under a minute it was
Yes.
coming back with whether the part has passed, whether that part has failed. That's a massive benefit, isn't it?
Exactly, it is. Because if you think that if you have RD1, you can test 100% manufactured parts if you want, because it's a really rapid test. So you can test all of them, and then if there is a need for you to have a further investigation in the part, then you will only do this in some of the parts. So our customer will have the possibility to have a decision. So, okay, this part is not good. They can scrap, or if needed, further investigation, they can do complementary tests. But we will enable you to test 100% parts in manufacturing.
So on that, obviously the process at the moment with current NDT systems is they're testing samples, aren't they, rather than the entirety of their production workflow?
Exactly, yeah, they test some samples, but in some cases parts are really critical and would be really good to test all of them, because it's extremely important. And NDT, you will not destruct your parts, so it's an amazing thing.
And what industries are you targeting? What applications are you targeting with this machine?
We target critical applications, mainly aerospace, defense, automotive as well, any critical, safety critical applications. And this machine as well is ideal for AM, additive manufacturing as well. But it's not exclusive for this industry, but we are seeing a lot of benefits testing additive manufactured parts.
Why additive manufacturing in particular are you seeing a lot of benefits with this?
Because at the moment there is no a certified technique for testings for AM. Actually, we are working in the ASTM standards to have our technique certified as well. But this is in development, so we don't have one at the moment. And AM parts are really complex, and it's really difficult to test these parts using other kind of techniques. So, and our machine is able to find flaws, even in complex geometries, thin walls. So that's why RD1-TT is ideal for AM.
Final question. Now, there's going to be people watching this and listening to this and thinking this technology is way too good to be true. It's a new technology, let's be honest.
Yes.
New technologies can be hard for people to embrace. Mm-hmm. What have Theta been doing to validate that this technology does what it says it does?
Yes, as I said to you, we are working with the ASTM standards, and we also have some partnerships with OEMs to validate our technology. We also can offer a feasibility test for our customers, so where we can prove our technology to them.
Right, thanks very much for joining me.
Thank you.
Remember, we're going to be learning more about the revolutionary NDT technology that Theta Technologies have produced in other episodes, but for now, you can stay up to date with Theta via their social channels or their website, the details of which are on your screen now. If you've got a question or there's a topic you'd like us to explore in future episodes, then please send us a direct message or comment in the comments section below. Of course, you can also email info@thetanddt.com for any information.